So Max, it's great to chat with you, and tell me a little bit about AQEMIA.
And the story is very fun. I got a prize from the American Institute of Physics for the mathematics I was doing, not applying it to drug discovery at all. A very well-known company doing software for drug discovery came to me, proposed to buy the technology to doing drug discovery. And then I deep dived and understood that we were doing a very narrow in terms of the full pipeline of drug discovery, but something that could be instrumental in finding cures for patients.
And that's wonderful. I love the transition. A lot of times some of the most impactful areas of science are at the interfaces that you didn't expect. AI-guided deep physics. These are big terms, they're big words. Maybe you can translate that for us in terms of what does it mean? How do we bring these two disciplines together?
The role of AQEMIA, what we do, what I hope we do well, is to design the right molecules for a given disease. It's very unique in the world. We literally teach the generative AI what are the deep physics of the biochemical, biophysical problem, with a unique technology to compute atom by atom what is the right molecule for this target responsible for this disease. So at the end, inventing the right molecules that will cure people.
And if you look at something like aspirin, the chemical structure of aspirin compared to some more recently approved molecules, the structure is far more complex. Using in silico methodologies to enable us to really shorten the sequence space we need to explore in the physical lab is really critical to accelerating our drug design and ultimately bringing medicines to patients faster. Our core mission is to translate fundamental biomedical research into meaningful therapies that help improve and save the lives of patients. We have a specific focus in leveraging immunoscience-related insights. And that's a passion and a focus and expertise that Sanofi has and continues to build. And we use that in many different therapeutic areas. Other piece of it is that we have a desire to be the first large pharma that's powered by AI at scale.
And for our specific collaboration with the specific technologies that we are developing, what's your vision?
So specifically, it's to take the insights and knowledge that are generated from techniques like the ones you've developed, combining deep physics with AI analysis that can help us accelerate small molecule design, which will enable us ultimately to go from concept of a biology to patient in a shorter amount of time.
Sanofi is an AI-focused company, but we're also talking about patients, people. How do you ensure a responsible use of AI?
The steps we're taking are really within two areas. One is with the data that we're using to feed the AI in order to get insights. And the other is with the output and the suggestions that the AI makes. The first, in the data perspective, is that we want to make sure that we're only using data that is approved, that is anonymized, and that is secure. The second piece is what we do with the insights or the predictions from those AI algorithms. AI is a tool that's making suggestions, which we can decide to follow up on. But ultimately, the decision-making and the responsibility has to be done by a human being and has to be done with rigor, with responsibility, and with privacy under consideration. So Max, what is your ultimate vision for AQEMIA?
The ultimate vision for AQEMIA is to bring medicines to patients. We started with the atoms and the molecules. We learned a lot those past 4 to 5 years. Yes, we do collaborations with pharma companies, with great partners. We learn a lot. I hope we bring a lot in the long term. I'm very happy and looking forward to continuing this collaboration together.
Well, thank you very much, Max. And it's always wonderful to talk to a key collaborator, technology that can have huge impact. So thank you.